semi-concern here, just to kind of watch, is that sling that's closest to you there, Bob. I was hoping to get it just below that branch union, but I couldn't. I think we're going to be fine, but just with it being dead, you know, if it breaks off, it's not the end of the world, but just we'll have to keep an eye on it. I think we'll be fine. Let's just see how it lifts off. Yeah, it might be better to go around the other way. This thing's pretty crispy, so you know, if we dropped it on a shrub, that's probably better. All right, I'll just untie myself. I don't say that. I'm guessing this piece is going to be somewhere around 218. I'm guessing. That's just I don't think I'm quite free. I'm close. Nope, I got a little strap there yet. Sucks when the sparks start One sec, let me just kind of move here a little bit, Bob. My favorite crane operator, Bob. All right, just cable up nice and slow. Nope. Yep. Awesome. Is it? Hey, what a great crane operator we got here today. So maybe let's start around that 1,000, 1,200. Yeah, that should be plenty. Yeah, I'm gonna come grab the different saw. That's right, that's what the men want. I'm all the way through here on the far side. What's that? So we should be free here. If you just cable up a little bit, we'll make sure we're completely free, and then we'll rotate. Okay, yep. So now if you want to just rotate to your right, hold there. You want to cable up just a little bit more. All right, so now just boom to your right. Okay, you can cable up and boom up, whatever you want to do here. Just go nice and easy. Keep going, you're doing awesome. Should be able to see the butt here pretty soon. Okay. So we might have a little bit of settle like into these sumacs that are behind Bob, I did a big like V-notch in the front. I'm just flat cut in the back, and like I say, we might have some settle there, but it should be all right. Cable up real slow here. I believe you're free. Hold up. Yep, you are free. You can just cable up slow. Hold. So your butt's just kind of hitting against the siding here just a little bit. Yes. Okay. Cable up. Keep cabling. Keep cabling. Yeah, you're in plenty good shape now. You can cable up, boom up, whatever you want to do. Should see it here pretty quick. I think like 12,000 or something like that. Yeah. What's that weigh?